Hello, this is Joseph Graves again, the founder of I Hate Buying Insurance. This is the last video in this series on the 2016 Obamacare season. I'm going to do a quick summary and then go through your homework, your list of to-dos. These things have to be done before we get together at our set time. We're going to spend an hour or less together talking about plan designs, premiums, and go through the enrollment. So in summary, I know you've already watched all the videos where we talked about deductibles, co-insurance, out-of-pocket, co-pays. You've seen the network example, you saw the pricing example, etc. I know you've got that done, right? And if not, go back and watch them again. It's very important that you grasp all those terms and get an idea of how the plans are put together. Because again, with hundreds of people to enroll in a 6-week period, I won't be able to spend hours and hours re-explaining that again and again. So I appreciate you helping me to help you by watching those videos and understanding the terms. So what to do? Even my current clients, I am going to send you my standardized health survey. Because number one, something could have changed in the last year or two that I don't know about. It's a series of questions. Even though Obamacare doesn't have medical underwriting, we still approach health insurance as a matchmaking process. It'd be almost criminal if I put an insulin diabetic into a plan with a $6,600 deductible and no drug card. Because then they have to pay $6,600 of insulin before they have any coverage. So our health survey is designed to match you up. Your doctors, your philosophy, your aches and pains as I call it, with the right medical plan, including questions about income. Because healthcare.gov is the website that we may or may not have to go to, but if you're of a certain income range for your family size, you may be eligible for a subsidy. By completing this survey, I'm going to be able to prep before our scheduled time the plans based upon your specific needs. So please complete the survey in the attached Word document and change it, save it, send it back to me. Next, set a time. The very last link in this email, so you've got all the links to the different videos. This last one is my online calendar. It's been amazing. I send you my calendar and you get to pick when we talk. No more phone tag, no more going back and forth in videos and emails. You can see based upon your work schedule, and for the ACA season, we've opened up the calendar to extra hours, including some hours on Saturdays. So look at my calendar, pick a time that is your time for us to go through plans and get you enrolled in something new. But don't set a time until you have the health survey done, please. So set a time. You have to make your time. I understand emergencies happen, but if we miss it, you can go back online and do it again, but we will have hundreds of people to enroll in 6 weeks. So pick a time you think is going to be perfect, and we'll both be there. You need to have some things ready. Proof of income. More and more through healthcare.gov are being asked to submit proof of income. That could be a pay stub or two, something like that. Now the income we talk about, they're trying to project the future income in 2016, yet they're wanting pay stubs from today. But still, they want to know who you work for and how much you're making right now. It's very common in an enrollment through healthcare.gov. For our time that we set, you need to be on a computer, not a tablet. I use a screen sharing software. It's free, but it works best on either a desktop or a laptop. Plus, they typically are faster and more powerful than a small tablet. And that way there's no glitches. You're going to sit back and watch like a television, my screen, as I show you different plan designs. So make sure that for our time together that you're on a computer and not a tablet. Checking info. Remember I said when we go to enroll, you have to make your first month's premium. So I'll need to have your checking info, including a copy of a voided check. And then healthcare.gov. If I helped you last year or you went through healthcare.gov over the last 2 years, if you don't log on after, I think it's 180 days, you have to reset your password. So before we get together, if you've already established a healthcare.gov account, you need to go in, do the forgot password, and reset it. And then when we're on the phone and screen sharing together, I'll need you to share that with me in case we have to go to healthcare.gov and make any changes. No need to go in right now and change your income, change your address, or anything like that. Just make sure your password is updated for our time scheduled together. So again, do the health survey, Set a time. We'll both keep the time. You need proof of income, a voided check, and make sure your healthcare.gov password has been reset. Now, if you already know that your income is such that you're not eligible for a subsidy, there's no need to talk about healthcare.gov. But for those who we've either done it before or you think you might be eligible, let's reset your password. So go to the last link, pick a time after you've completed and sent me your survey. Based upon when you picked it, we're going to put everybody in order, every hour on the hour, about 12 hours a day, 6 days a week. Again, I'm Joseph Graves, the founder of I Hate Buying Insurance. It's such an honor to serve you, whether this is our first time or you've been with me since we got started 14 years ago. Let's have a great ACA season.